In this guide, we're going over the best clans here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, clans give tons of buffs like damage, max HP, damage reduction, luck, lifesteal, farming bonuses, and so much more, so your clan choice obviously does matter. Let's go ahead and start with the very worst and we'll work our way up to the best. In D tier, we're going to have Sasaki, which is common. It gives you 10% max HP, 7% damage, and 10% more XP. Now moving into C tier, we got Rockage, which is uncommon. It gives you 15% max HP, 10% damage, and 10% more money, and 10% more gems. In B tier, we have Zeldic, which is a rare clan. It gives you 20% max HP, 15% more damage, 15% more gems, and 20% more sprint speed. In A tier, we actually have two. We have Yamato, which is epic, and Mujetsu. Yamato gives you 27% max HP, 17% damage, 20% more gems, and 5% melee damage, making it pretty good. But a little bit better is Mujetsu, which is once again epic, and that gives you 25% max HP, 20% damage, a 2% lifesteal, and a 5% damage reduction. In terms of S tier, we have Monarch, which is legendary. This is a 40% max HP, 27% damage, 10% luck, 7% sword damage, and 20% chance for extra drops. In finally the best out of the very best, we have Volig Goat. This gives you 35% max HP, 25% damage, 10% damage reduction, 7% melee damage, and 25% extra damage to NPCs under 50 health. To change clans, you are going to have to use a clan reroll, and these can drop from NPC enemies or appear in chests, but they are pretty rare. But to be honest, every clan is good because it gives you free stat boosts, and that is pretty efficient here in this game. If you did have any questions though, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well. Have a great one. Bye bye.